In question number 1, we have find the LCM of 40, 45 and 48 by prime factorization method. To find the LCM of 40, 45 and 48 by prime factorization method, in first step, I'll just find the factor of these three number. So 40 is divisible by 2 and 2 is a prime number, so I can use this 2. 2 20s are 40, 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 10. Now I cannot use 2, I'll use now directly 5 because 5 is also a prime number, so 5 ones are 5. So just you write the factor of 40. Therefore 40 equal to, write this factor, 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Now I'll find the factor for this 45 by using prime factorization method. 45 is divisible by 3, so 3 is a prime number, so I'll use here 3. 3 15s are 45, 3 5s are 15 and 5 ones are 5. So write the factor of this 45. Therefore 45 equal to 3 into 3 into 5. Now I'll find the factor of 48. So 48 is divisible by 2, so write here 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So write the factor of this 48 here. 48 equal to, total we have 4 2, so write here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into, again one more 3 we have, so write here 3. So after writing this factor, now just you write this factor in power from. So total 2, in case of 40, 1 2 3 2 we have, so write here 2 to the power 3 into 1 5 we have, so write here 5 to the power 1. Now you write for this 45 also. So total 2 3 we have, so write here 3 to the power 2 into 1 5 we have, so write here 5 to the power 1. In same way you write for this 48 also. So total we have 4 2, so write here 2 to the power 4 into 1 3 we have, so write here 3 to the power 1. So after writing this factor in power from, now I will write the LCM of these three number. So write here, therefore LCM of this 40, 45 and 48 equal to, now you check the highest power among this factor. Means first I will check for 2. So here we have 2 to the power 3 and here we have 2 to the power 4. But here we don't have 2. So among this you check the highest power of 2. So here we have the highest power of 2 means 2 to the power 4. So write here 2 to the power 4 into, now you see the highest power of 3 among this factor. So here we have 3 and here we have 3. So out of this 2 3, this is the highest power. So right here 3 square into, now you check the highest power of 5. So here we have only 2 5 here and here. So among these two you check the highest, but here also we have 1, here also we have 1. So these two are equal with each other. So out of these two write only 1. So 5 to the power 1 equal to, now you do multiply 2 to the power 4 means 2, if you do multiply 4 times then you will get the answer 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So right here 16 into 3 square, 3 if you do multiply 2 times means 3 3 is 9. So right here 9 into 5 to the power 1 means right only 1 5 here. So if you do multiply this, 16 into 9 16 into 9, if you do multiply, then you will get 144, and 144 into 5, if you do multiply, then you will get 720. So answer for this question is 720. So this is the LCM of this 40, 45 and 48.